Hi guys, it's Alex here. Hope you are all well. Today we're going to talk about Trip Chowdhry, $2,300 Tesla stock price target. Volkswagen has zero chance versus Tesla, and Chicken Genius reiterates again he is bearish on the stock market. Let's dive right into it. Back in May this year, analyst Trip Chowdhry from Global Equity Research said that second quarter of 2022 will be monstrous for Tesla. The second quarter of 2022 is shaping up to be monstrous one for Tesla, according to a note written by Trip Chowdhry of Global Equity Research. Chowdhry noted in his monthly checks on Tesla's Fremont factory that May 2022 is off to an extremely strong production, shipments, and deliveries. He pointed to recent photos of the factory, which show more shipping trucks this quarter compared to the last one. He also estimates that Tesla has increased its number of shipping trucks by at least 20%. Teslarati added that there is also the possibility that Tesla is using the Fremont factory to help pick up the slack from Shanghai, which has recently reopened and is doing well after closing temporarily to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Teslarati also notes that the Fremont factory has an annual production run rate of 600,000 cars, or 150,000 cars per quarter. Tesla stock price target. Tesla price target raised to street high $2,300 at Global Equities Research. Global Equities Research analyst Trip Chowdhry raised the price target on Tesla to a street high of $2,300 from $1,500 while maintaining an overweight rating. Chowdhry also said to sell Apple and Netflix, saying Tesla is the only company poised to grow at least 50% year over year for multiple years into the future, doing innovation by subtraction. No other company in the sector can do this. Having more than 5 extremely solid anchors, Apple has 2, Netflix has 0 anchors, has exponential scaling and automation built into every level of factory technology stack. No other company in any sector has this. Further, he highlighted massive Giga Austin factory for extreme scaling, solid product pipeline for 2023, multiple product lines at Giga Austin, production ramp up happening at both Giga Berlin and Giga Austin, production ramp up of Model S Plaid and Model X Plaid is extremely strong, shipping activity is extremely strong and efficient, Tesla owns shipping trucks, Tesla controls the vehicle center stack, it is a very strong strategic anchor, superchargers are a profit center rather than just being an EV adoption catalyst. This leads to margin expansion, innovation by subtraction, margin expansion to continue, Cybertruck innovation to the extreme, no door handles. Tesla insurance is now offered in California, Texas, Colorado, Oregon, and Virginia. On a negative note, Barclays cut Tesla Q2 delivery estimate to 251,000 from 315,000 over China challenges. With Giga Shanghai being shut down for several weeks, the company's overall vehicle production and delivery figures for Q2 2022 would likely be adversely affected. And now we are going to take a look at this interesting article about Volkswagen and Tesla. Analyst Trip Chowdhry of Global Equities Research said Volkswagen has zero chance versus Tesla and is lagging Tesla by more than 15 years. Chowdhry highlights Volkswagen is 7 years behind Tesla in achieving 50% reduction in battery cost. By 2030, Volkswagen plans to reduce the battery cost of entry model by 50% and volume segment by 30%. By 2023, Tesla will reduce the battery costs by 50% within next 3 years. Volkswagen prismatic cell is slow to produce and hence expensive versus Tesla cylindrical cells. Volkswagen plans to roll out a new unified prismatic cell design of its batteries that will power up 80% of Volkswagen electric vehicles by 2030. Prismatic cells are slow to produce versus cylindrical cells. Since cylindrical cells are faster to produce, so more kilowatts per cell can be produced every day, equaling lower dollars per kilowatt hour. Hence, Tesla will with its cylindrical cell design can achieve 50% cost reduction in battery by 2023 versus Volkswagen which achieves it by 2030. Volkswagen prismatic cells limits one configuration per vehicle type versus Tesla cylindrical cells which have many configurations per vehicle type. Tesla has many variants of the same vehicle in terms of power and range, which is achieved by configuring different number of cylindrical cells in series or in parallel. With Volkswagen prismatic cells, only one configuration per model will be available. Failure in Volkswagen prismatic cell is extremely expensive. Even if one prismatic packet does bad, the whole pack needs to be replaced. Volkswagen is lagging Tesla more than 10 years in battery cell production capacity. By 2030, Volkswagen plans to offer a production capacity of 240 gigawatt hours per year. Tesla currently has a production capacity of 54 gigawatts hour at Sparks and NV. More production to come online by 2023 at Gigafactory Berlin, Terrafactory Austin, Texas, and Gigafactory China. Volkswagen to have 18,000 public fast charging points by 2025. Tesla currently has more than 23,000 and expanding. Volkswagen failed to provide any details on four key battery parameters: power density, energy density, specific gravity, and battery management system. Volkswagen timeline is 2030, which is very risky. Volkswagen has zero institutional learning when compared to Tesla, which has more than 17 years of institutional learning, the analyst concludes. Let's not forget that Tesla has Bitcoin holdings. Back in 2021, Tesla bought Bitcoin worth $1.5 billion, and now they have a potential loss of $600 million. This is not a real loss, but we have to take into consideration because it will affect the Q2 results. So if somehow Elon Musk swings his magic wand and does the impossible, as he did in the past, Q2 results will probably be bad. But on a positive note, on a year-over-year basis, according to Barclays analysts, Tesla will produce 251,000 cars this quarter. That's approximately 21% increase from Q1 2021, when they produced a little over 200,000 cars. Tesla stock price. I know Chicken Genius has the first buying point for Tesla stock at $420, but he has to wait some more because Tesla stock is now $737 and today in pre-market is up 1.75%, $750 per share. Speaking of Chicken Genius Singapore, we have a new video from here where he is talking about the stock market crash that will come eventually.
Yes, I'm bearish. I've been very clear that the stock market crash will come, but I'm also aware that things could change and the market could continue going back to the moon. Okay, look, in life you need to assign probabilities and make your own judgment. One, in an unlikely scenario that the war ends, the markets would instantly rip upwards. To me, it's not going to happen anytime soon. The world is dying of inflation and Russia is richer than ever through all their commodity sales and the sanctions backfired. The West looks really weak right now, and while I hope the war to end soon, I really don't think so. Two, like oil price need to drop consistently below $80 for at least a month. Yeah, I'll be bullish again. But economics 101, price is not dictated by just demand but supply. OPEC is out of spare capacity in 2 months and the shale hypergrowth in US is over. And big producers are flat to 2030. We are at a record deficit of 1.5 million barrels a day. You know what they say? A cure for high prices is high prices. Demand destruction. 3. The world decides to work together, like Germany decides to reactivate nuclear plants, or the US increase investments into infrastructure. With Biden, I'm sorry, but I'm pretty sure nothing gets done.
I'd like to know your opinion on all of this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that other people like you see this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.